Let us have a quick walkthrough of the application that I have recently prepared, FashionNOVA AI, your virtual fashion studio. I have prepared this application as the capstone project which was given to me by EduNet Foundation's internship program. Before walking through all the features of this particular application, I would like to share the problem statement which I had chosen as my project. The problem statement was many students want to explore fashion design but lack artistic or technical skills. Traditional tools are expensive and time consuming. A generative AI solution that can create clothing designs from text prompts and suggest similar affordable products online would make fashion design more accessible and fun. So here I have prepared the application FashionNOVA AI, and as you can see, this is the logo of the application, and this is the home page for the app that I have built. Along with the logo and the title of the project, I have also included a Streamlit Lottie element, and yeah, this whole project is done using Streamlit, Python logic, and some HTML codes. So before any further ado, let's dive deep into the features of this app by clicking on the start generating button. So after we have clicked the start generating button, we can see that we have been directed to the page of Designer Studio. So this is the first feature of the app where this page takes input from the user based on different criterias like the clothing type, the style, the fabric, the base color, the pattern intensity, the brightness. So based on these informations, our AI design will be generated. So let's just see how it works. By default, the clothing type is selected as t-shirt, but we can choose something else as well. Like we have dress, hoodie, jacket, pants, sari as well. So let us go with hoodie now, and we choose a style as streetwear. We can also select the fabric of the cloth as, let us select cotton for now, and now we select base color. This is a Streamlit widget of color picker which provides us with a palette. This from this palette we can select any color which will be specified, and it returns a hex code. For converting the hex code to English exact name of that color, I have used the AI model Gemma 34BIT, which is a Google generative AI model. So let us select this color now, and after setting the color we can from this slider we can select the pattern intensity, which we have set it as 4 out of 10, and let us select the brightness as 6 out of 10. Now there is a text area, as we can see. In this text area, user can specify their any add-ons or whatever specifications they want in their design to be. For example, they can write a floral pattern design on the cloth of the hoodie. They can specify like this, or else if they don't have anything in mind, they can also get a suggestion from the AI. So this is the get an idea button. When we will click this, an AI model that I have used here is Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. It will help us to generate a sample prompt which we can pass easily and get our design. But before clicking on this, I would also like to specify this feature. So in this feature we can just drag and drop files here. The purpose of this file uploader is that it will be added in the future scope of my particular application, as I have used the Hugging Face API, but the feature of image to image conversion, or more specifically image to in an enhanced image formation or generation, were premium. So I could not make this feature available, but in near future I can just solve it by creating any other API with Hono.js. But now let's go with the text prompt. We click on the generate an idea or get an idea button, and within a few milliseconds we can see that a sample prompt has been generated by the AI. Now we can pass this prompt to generate the design. When we click on the generate design button, it says that cooking your fresh design idea, and this is the prompt that we had set, and based on the color that we had passed, we get a hoodie. So this is a plain hoodie which has been generated, and if we want, we can also download this design by clicking on the download design button. So yeah, it gets downloaded. Now coming to the next feature of this app is the outfit oracle. So outfit oracle is the virtual fashion mirror. As you can see, it has the Streamlit camera input widget, and here I have used the model of Gemini flashlight latest. So here I can upload, or the user can upload what they are exactly wearing. Just you can see that whenever I will click on take photo, it will take the photo and it will start analyzing. It will analyze my outfit and give the output as how it's suitable with me, or how it suits. Also it will give some suggestions for improvement and also similar affordable products, as you can see. So this is the feature outfit oracle, your virtual fashion mirror. Now let us move on to the next page, Threadly. Threadly is the AI chatbot of FashionNOVA AI. For this, I have used the model Gemini 2.5 Flash and named it as Threadly AI chatbot of FashionNOVA AI. Threadly is capable to answer any questions related to fashion, and let us see how it works. Suppose I ask Threadly about, tell me about the top trends in fashion in 2025, and when we click on the send button, it says Threadly is thinking, with a spinner here, loading spinner, and within a few seconds it will generate the output. Yeah, so it says, hello there, I am Threadly, the embedded AI robot of FashionNOVA AI, and it gives us a textual output of what are the some of the trends in the world of fashion, as you can see. And but if we ask anything that is irrelevant to fashion, it won't answer. Suppose, how are you? It won't answer the question. It says, ask me something about fashion. So this is how Threadly, our AI chatbot, works within FashionNOVA AI. And finally, this is the about page, where I have mentioned everything about FashionNOVA AI, what are the core concepts or core feature used, what text tags I have used here, like for image handling I have used pillow, etc, etc. And for some future scopes, I will be using the Panel library as well to display a graph which will already show the top fashion trends of the current year or the present moment. And at the end, the user can connect with me by providing their email address, like this. Here I am providing my email address only, just to show that how this widget works. And we can also post a feedback like, hey there, I have used your application. So after they click on the send message button, I can receive their email as well as the feedback. So this is how it works, and this is my presentation about FashionNOVA AI. So this is Rohan Banerjee. Thank you so much.